I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gwent in Witcher 3 full guide. Start by learning card types, unit strengths, and the flow of 3 rounds, then assemble a balanced deck with leaders and key combos. Practice timing when to play weather and status cards, and remember passing early can bait opponents. This introduction will help you win more matches and enjoy the strategic depth of Gwent. Building a strong deck means picking a faction and leader that suit your tactics, then selecting units that synergize across rounds while balancing power and utility. Aim for a consistent curve with resilient units, tech cards to counter weather and spies, and a handful of premiums that swing rounds. Test your deck against merchants and innkeepers before challenging top players to refine plays and card choices. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and keep content coming. Quick recommendation: Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I mentioned, perfect for marathon Gwent sessions and messy snacks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider trying them out if you want convenience. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Round strategy revolves around playing for value and timing your passes to maximize chances across 3 rounds. Probe opponents with low-cost units, pressure with tempo plays, and avoid wasting premium cards early unless necessary. Save key combos and leader abilities for decisive moments while keeping track of opponent card count. Smart passing turns small advantages into wins and makes your deck feel consistently reliable in longer matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.